What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Bonk, which has been pumping in value quite a bit over the last week. As you guys can see, not just Bonk but the crypto market in general has slowly started to recover, and Bonk is up just over 13% in the last 24 hours. So what is next for this crypto? Is it one to be investing into right now? Is it too late? If you're on a profit, is it time to sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we are going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at his prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. Is this a crypto worth investing into, and can it essentially hit a new all-time high later on this year? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, the crypto is currently back up into the top tier level, which is quite surprising, especially that it did drop all the way down into the green zone earlier in April, about a month ago, and right now it has recovered quite a lot. So what is next? We'll get into that very shortly, but for now I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Bonk, which is here in purple, and the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, the lines are looking a little bit too steep to be realistic. Reason they're looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace, which is again not the case, because that's what's happened before, and because it's gone through quite an increase, it is likely to go for a little bit of a step back in value over the coming hours. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. That is taking into consideration the dips that are likely to take place in between as well. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome does seem to be more slightly on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, again the blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish and looking quite steep. So once again, not as realistic as it seems, exact same reason as the previous chart. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid to end of next week, I'm expecting Bonk to have gone for an overall increase in value, once again trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Potentially a good 20 to 25% increase is what I'm expecting. However, red days are also part of the process, so do expect some days where it's likely to hit red candles, take a little bit of a dip in between, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. So yes guys, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Bonk, but nothing too crazy. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again we're still looking quite steep guys, again not realistic, but over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late July 2024, I am expecting Bonk to have hit a new all-time high. Reason being is, I've mentioned this in my previous videos, I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high over the coming weeks, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market in general, hence why I'm expecting Bonk to be hitting a new all-time high as well over the next 6 to 8 weeks, probably in late June, early July. But again, crypto market is a volatile one, so I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on a regular basis if there are any major updates or news that come across that can have a major impact, not just on the value of Bonk but the crypto market in general. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level. However, I'm expecting it to take a step back down in value potentially over the coming days, hitting the resistance target and then bounce it back up into the dark zone or top tier level even by early to mid next week, bringing it back up in value. So yes, it is pumping, however it is likely to be still volatile with red and green candles, but again, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, the overall outcome is what matters, and at this point it does seem to be more on the positive side. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale, and heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped down by 12% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $850 million. However, because it is slowly starting to gain value, pumping up in value, I'm expecting the trading volume to go back up, as we are likely to see more and more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, which in return should have a positive impact on the value of Bonk. Over the last week, 45% up, guys. Major increases here about 2 to 3 days ago, and it is still ongoing right now. So far it has been performing very well, and over the month it has gone up 81%. Late April it was quite volatile, again it didn't move much. However, since about mid-May, about a week ago, it has gained a decent amount of value, and potentially we should be able to keep it that way. And again, reason it's pumped up is because Bitcoin did also go for a major increase in value earlier on this week, heading over 8% up from about $64,000 all the way up to $72,000. However, right now it has taken a step back and trading at just under $70,000. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Bonk, guys. Let me know, are you guys expecting Bonk to hit a new all-time high in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.